TESYC was founded through the sale of welding products, consumables, and machinery for the heavy manufacturing industry in Mexico. It has branches in the country's most important industrial cities. The Monterrey branch opened over 35 years ago and is the second most important after the main office in Hidalgo. We have prepared a small showroom at this branch to showcase our capabilities and the range we offer as a supplier of products and services. Currently, we are the largest distributor of welding machines from the three most important brands in the world: Lincoln, Miller, and ESAB. Our offerings include everything from consumables, spare parts, and accessories to complex systems, such as mechanized or robotic welding solutions. We always maintain a minimum stock of 500 machines across all processes to meet market needs. Especially in Monterrey, we have over 100 Lincoln machines in stock. Our company is nationally recognized for its customer after-sales service. We have 25 specialized technicians for installation, repairs, and equipment diagnosis. When we import machinery from China or other countries, we always send our technicians for training to ensure they are fully equipped to handle installation and maintenance independently. We are the only company in the market with plasma cutting tables in stock, ready to install within less than a week. Our stock in positioning equipment is the largest in the country, with pieces such as turning rollers with capacity ranging from 5 to 200 tons, rotary tables all the way until 20 tons, and manipulators for submerged arc welding with heights up to 6 meters. In the past, we did reverse engineering for this type of rollers that you are using in your company. This type of rollers design is originally from Panjiris, but we discovered that it had a fault that it ejected the part. Now we fixed it, and this is the one that you are using now without any problems. We like to be prepared for the changes that are coming in the industry. We know that countries outside are using now more greener equipments. That's why we are investing in fume extraction machines, and these type of machines are also for different processes, big ones and small ones. It doesn't matter, we do custom-built solutions for you. Even though it's not listed in our catalog, we have the capacity to bring, install, and give technical support for machinery that our customer needs. We send our technicians to train, and now we're capable of doing all of that completely by ourselves. We recognize that the future lies in robotic arms, which is why we have invested in equipment with great flexibility to accommodate any process, whether it involves welding, assembly, or part positioning. In our solutions catalog, we also offer tools to improve manual work and reduce material waste, such as virtual reality equipment designed to train welders more efficiently. Undoubtedly, lasers are set to revolutionize industrial process as we know them. That's why we already offer a wide range of laser products, including surface cleaners, welding with and without filler material, cutting tables, and advanced 3D cutting equipment for profiles and tubes. The success of TESYC lies in our commitment to research, investment, training, and maintaining a strong formal relationship with our customers. With these foundational principles, we're capable of acquiring any equipment and delivering comprehensive solutions tailored to our clients' needs.